Friends, this video is going to be on Fexet. Fexet has fexofenadine 120 milligrams in it. This is antihistaminic and anti-allergic. The box has 20 tablets in it. It's made by Getz Pharma and the price for one box is 390 rupees. Fexofenadine is an antihistamine used to relieve allergy symptoms such as watery eyes, runny nose, itchy eyes, sneezing, hives, and itching. It works by blocking a certain natural substance, histamine, that your body makes during an allergic reaction. The dosage is based on your age, medical condition, and response to treatment. Do not increase your dose or take this medication more often than directed. Do not take antacids containing aluminium and magnesium within 2 hours of taking this medication. These antacids can decrease the absorption of fexofenadine. Some side effects of fexofenadine are cough, fever, stomach upset, etc. This medication should be used only when clearly needed during pregnancy. Please consult your doctor if you are pregnant or if you are a breastfeeding mother before taking this medication. I hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please subscribe and like our videos. Thank you.